Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage display, sleep and timeout on HP laptop. To do this, we'll need to click on the start and move to the settings. Here click on the system on the left and power and battery on the right. Inside you can find screen and sleep settings. Click on this arrow to reveal all of the options, and here you can set different screen timeout for when your laptop is on battery power or when it's plugged into the charger, and you set your device to sleep when also it's on battery power or it's on the battery charger. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.